Hi friends, welcome to Exam Drive, your study partner. My name is Nav and today we will discuss the most important current affairs of 30 December 2020. Let's start with the first question. Who has won the ICC Spirit of Cricket Award of the decade? The options are Virat Kohli, Kane Williamson, MS Dhoni, Abby de Villiers. And the correct answer is MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni is the former Indian captain and he has won this award because of his decision to call back Ian Bell, the former England batsman, due to a run out in a bizarre manner during a test match in 2011. Let's go to the next question. Name the world's oldest panda that died recently. And the correct answer is Xinjing. Xinjing died at the age of 38 in China's Chongqing Zoo, and her name means new star in Mandarin. Some facts about China. The capital is Beijing and the president is Xi Jinping. Let's see the next question. Which cybersecurity brand has won the Best Cybersecurity Brand 2020 award? The options are Cisco, Norton LifeLock, CrowdStrike, Kaspersky. And the correct answer is Kaspersky. Kaspersky was founded in 1997 and it is headquartered in Moscow, Russia. And the current CEO of Kaspersky is Eugene Kaspersky. The next question is which state cabinet approved Dharma Swatantraya, that is Religious Freedom Bill 2020? The options are Rajasthan, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka. The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Under this bill, the forced conversion of women will be punishable term for up to 10 years and a minimum fine of rupees 50,000. Some facts about Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal and the current CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Let's see our next question. Who is appointed as the new Vice President of the BCCI? The options are Rajiv Shukla, Ravi Shastri, Jay Shah, Sunil Gavaskar. And the correct answer is Rajiv Shukla. Let's see some important facts about BCCI. The full form of BCCI is Board of Control for Cricket in India, and the correct, current president is Saurav Ganguly, and the secretary is Jay Shah, and it is headquartered in Mumbai. Let's see the next question. In which Indian state Reliance will build world's largest zoo? The options are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Assam. The correct answer is Gujarat. This world's largest zoo will be built on Gujarat's Jamnagar, and Reliance will complete this project within next 2 years. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar, and the CM of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. Some facts about Reliance. The CEO of Reliance is Mukesh Ambani, and it was founded in 1973 by Dhirubhai Ambani, and it is headquartered in Mumbai. Let's see our next question. Recently, which country has planned to put a nuclear power plant on the surface of Moon? The options are China, Russia, USA, India. The correct answer is USA. USA, along with NASA, plans to put nuclear reactor in the surface of Moon in order to support their long-term exploration projects in Moon. Some facts about NASA. NASA, the full form is National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and it is headquartered in Washington, D.C., US. Let's see what's next. Which Indian state has won the Digital India Award 2020? Options are Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Punjab. The correct answer is Bihar. Bihar has won this Digital India Award 2020 because of its innovative ideas that it has created during the COVID-19 lockdown. Some facts about Bihar. The capital is Patna. The governor of Bihar is Fagu Chauhan and the chief minister is Nitish Kumar. Let's see the next question. Who became the first female bus driver from Jammu and Kashmir? The options are Pratiksha Das, Surekha Yadav, Pooja Devi, Avni Chaturvedi. And the correct answer is Pooja Devi. Pooja Devi became the first female bus driver from Jammu and Kashmir. Let's see some important facts about Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir has two capitals. Srinagar is the capital for the month of May to October, and Jammu is the capital for the month of November to April. And the Lieutenant Governor or of Jammu and Kashmir is Manoj Sinha. Let's go to our last question. Recently, who has inaugurated India's first driverless train on Delhi Metro's Magenta line? The options are Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Piyush Goyal, Nirmala Sitharaman. The correct answer is Narendra Modi. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated this newly built driverless train in Delhi Metro's Magenta line. Let's see some important facts about Indian Railways. The Minister of Railways is Piyush Goyal, and Delhi is the Union Territory and capital of India, and the CM of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel Exam Droid so that you can get regular updates on current affairs. Thank you.